Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram story quality on your iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, we'll click Instagram profile button, tap the three lines at the upper right corner. Now we'll go to settings, then we'll go to account and we'll click data usage. Make sure that use less cellular data is toggled off. Now we'll go to settings, click general, then scroll down and reset, and then click reset network settings. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.